Hi everyone and welcome to Storytime with Kate. Today's video is about simple activity that you can do with children outside. It's a process art, so it's more focusing on the process and a lot of fun, develops fine motor skills and develop creativity and many other things. So what you will need: some petals, some leaves that children might find. I used lavender, some native flowers, something that will make a beautiful print or pattern. I use some parsley as well from the garden, so anything that is soft and easily used for this activity. Then you will need a paper towel and then ask children to hammer over a good sturdy cutting board, chopping board. So they usually go nuts. It's pretty loud but fun for outside. And ask them to be careful with their fingers, of course. And here is what we have. So we have some print over here on paper towel, and also we might have prints on piece of paper. So you can see that lavender left quite a good one. The softer the print is, the better. But the idea is, of course, as I said, the process of hammering and printing like that. So I hope you will enjoy this activity with children. Subscribe and click like. Thank you.